Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the pushed token. Now this is spelled pushed with no E, it is PUSHD. That is the name of the token and most likely the ticker symbol too. I haven't actually checked that yet. It doesn't say at the top of their page here. No, not even. We'll find it in a second, and it'll be in the title of this video anyways. But this is the pushed token, and this is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. Very brand new token, just starting their pre-sale. The pre-sale is on their webpage, pushed.store. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So the ticker symbol is pushed, and that is also the name of the token. Now there is a total fixed supply of 250 million push tokens. It is in pre-sale, and it says pre-sale starting price is 1 penny. This token is on the Ethereum blockchain, and how the token is split up here, we got 170 million tokens going to pre-sale, 30 million tokens going to exchange listings, 20 million tokens going to staking rewards, 18 million tokens going to the team, 5 million partners and advisors, 4 million collaborations, and 3 million going to legal. Now, if you go to their webpage here, pushed.store, at the top of the page, you will see benefits, how it works, pre-sale perks, white paper, frequently asked questions, sign in or sign up. And then underneath that, you will see it says marketplace decentralized, built on blockchain, the world's first online marketplace on the blockchain for better security, transparency, and decentralized governance. And right underneath that, it says buy pushed now. And if you click on buy push now, it'll take you over to where it's basically the same as signing up. It says sign up, create an account, and you got to put in create a username, email, password, and then you got to agree to a privacy policy. You create an account and you go from there. So most likely you're going to connect your wallet and do all that type of stuff. Like basically, it's probably going to be ETH or USDT, etc. That's how these pre-sales go that sell right off their webpage, or it could be something else. I haven't actually bought any of the tokens or anything. So like I said, this is just information. I'm not invested in this token, so I do not know exactly where that next page will take you. Maybe it'll say somewhere here, but it says the benefits of this token: unlimited potential, secure transactions. So blockchain technologies ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and immutable. It's got lower fees. Decentralized model allows us to reduce the fees that buyers and sellers would typically incur on traditional e-commerce platforms. It's got decentralized governance. So the governance system is decentralized, meaning that all stakeholders have a say in the direction and development of the platform. There's also a rewards program, which incentivizes users to participate in the platform's growth by offering rewards for completing specific tasks and milestones. And transparency. Blockchain technology provides complete transparency, giving users the ability to view all the transactions and records. So how it works. How does this platform, though, work specifically? It says, learn how pushed decentralized platform provides a secure and transparent marketplace for buyers and sellers. So step 1, you would sign up. Buyers and sellers sign up for pushed and create a profile. So it seems like you would create a profile if you're going to use the platform, and you create a profile if you're going to get involved with the pre-sale. Step 2, list products. Sellers list their products or services for sale on the pushed platform. Step 3, browse the listings. Browse the listings to make purchases using pushed buyer's tokens. And step 4, complete the transaction. So push blockchain technology securely records the transaction after the completion and distributes the tokens to the seller's account. So the power of the pushed token, it's a utility token, so you can use it for accessing the platform. It's the native cryptocurrency for the platform that gives you access to the platform's features where you can participate in buying and selling of the goods and services. Also, these tokens can be used to pay for transaction fees within the platform with a lower fee rate than users who hold and use the pushed tokens. Also, pushed tokens will give you voting rights within the platform's decentralized governance system, allowing them to participate in decision making and help shape the direction of the platform. And the rewards program, you can earn tokens through the platform's reward program, incentivizing users to engage with the platform and contribute to its growth. So the exclusive benefits are priority support, insider updates, discounted tokens, early access. You can participate in a marketplace or revolution. The presale will give you access to these exclusive benefits simply by filling out the form on our website, and our team will be in touch with you for further instructions. So there you go. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be an early adopter of the pushed platform and benefit from its growth. Now, before we wrap this up, let's go over the roadmap as well. So, starting with stage 1, it's going to be website deployment, smart contract audit, launch the presale and marketing campaign level 1. So they may have an audit somewhere that you can review, because that's right after website, it says. Stage 2 is going to be launch on multiple listing sites, VIP account holders meeting, alpha testing on marketplace, launch the staking protocol. Stage 3 is going to be marketplace goes live, open market trading, multiple tier 1 central exchange listings, a bug bounty program, and advertisers and sponsors. Now, we already went over tokenomics. You can go over a whole bunch of frequently asked questions if you want at the bottom of their page. They have a Telegram that you could join at Pushed Online. Now, keep in mind, Pushed is always spelled the same with no E. And then they have a Twitter that I'm going to put up right here at Pushed Store. So you guys can easily find that. There's white paper, presale perks, how it works, benefits, frequently asked questions, all that stuff is on their page. And you can create an account if you like. But yeah, go check this out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.